Today I'm going to be reading about animals. Animals are found all over the world, from freezing poles to dry deserts, and from evergreen forests to the deepest oceans. This book will take you on a journey to the amazing world of animals. In this book, you will learn about the different types of animals that exist, their lives and various places, and survival in their environment. Moreover, the book is filled with beautiful pictures and interesting facts, making reading and learning about the world of animals more enjoyable and engaging. The Animal Kingdom. The Animal Kingdom is an amazing group of millions of different kinds of species of living things. It includes animals like huge elephants, tiny dust mites, headless starfish, and migrating birds, legless worms, and human beings. Many animals are quite similar to each other. Others are quite different. Animals live in a lot of different places and behave in different ways. So far, more than 2 million kinds of animals have been identified. Thousands more kinds of animals are being discovered each year. Animal features. There are different types of animals living on Earth. Some are huge like a whale, and some are extremely tiny like mites. But some quantities are common to all animals. All animals feed, breathe, and grow. Most animals have senses. They can see, hear, smell, taste, and feel. Their most unique quality of animals is their ability to move. Did you know birds can fly, but they can also stand on their feet, walk, and run? Animal feed. Plants use sunlight to make their own food. Animals cannot make their own food. They depend on plants or other animals for food. Animals that eat plants are called herbivores, and animals that eat other animals are called carnivores. This bird is a carnivore. It feeds on worms. Breathing. Animals breathe oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide to make food and release oxygen. Movement. All animals move in some way. They walk, run, slither, crawl, swim, or fly. They move to find food, escape from enemies, and find partners. Senses. Most animals can see, hear, smell, and taste. They use their senses to find their way around, searching for food and detect dangers. Some animals, like elephants, dolphins, and squirrels, give birth to their young ones. Like some, like birds, fish, and snakes, lay eggs. Did you know we use our tongues for tasting, but snakes use their tongues to track their prey? Animal groups. Animals are divided into two main groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are those that have a backbone. Animals that do not have a backbone are called invertebrates. Vertebrates. Fish, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and mammals are vertebrates. They all have backbones. The backbone is a strong chain of bones that run through the center of the body. There are about 65,000 different types of vertebrates animals that we know about. Chimpanzee is a vertebrate animal. Invertebrates. Most kinds of animals on Earth are invertebrates. Insects, butterflies, wasps, and bees, mollusks, octopus, squid, and oysters and worm are all invertebrates. Did you know some invertebrates like starfish do not have heads? Jellyfish is an invertebrate. Animals with backbones. Vertebrate animals are warm-blooded and cold-blooded. Did you know in most birds, males are more colorful than females? Mammals are warm-blooded. Most of them have hair or fur covering their body. Mammals give birth to their young ones. Birds are vertebrates that have wings, feathers, and a beak. Most birds can fly, but some, like penguins and ostrich, cannot. Amphibians. Amphibians lay their eggs in water and are cold-blooded. They live underwater and on the land, as they have both gills and lungs. The crocodile is a reptile. Reptiles. Reptiles have scales that cover their body. They are cold-blooded. Crocodiles, snakes, and turtles are all reptiles. Animals without backbones. Invertebrates have no skeleton inside of them. Some have a hard outer shell for protection. Some invertebrates have no hard parts in their bodies at all. Sponges. Sponges are the simplest animals found on earth. They have no head, eyes, or mouth. Insects. Insects are arthropods, the largest invertebrate group. The arthropods have a shell made up of lots of parts joined together. Grasshoppers, butterflies, bees, etc. are all insects. Worms are invertebrates. They do not have legs. Tapeworms, leeches, and earthworms are all worms. Echinoderms, starfish, sea urchins, and sea cucumbers are echinoderms. Echoderm means spice skin. Mollusks. Squid, snails, slugs, octopus, and oysters are a group of invertebrates called mollusks. Arachnids. Spiders, scorpions, ticks, and mites are arachnids. Did you know snails are one of the slowest creatures on earth? The scorpion has 8 legs. Life cycle. Bird eggs. Bird lay eggs and keep it warm till the eggs hatch and the young ones are born. Long life. Many animals live for a long time. Some tortoises are known to have lived longer than 150 years. Butterflies are like most insects have 4 stages in their life cycle: egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, and finally adults, when they usually grow wings. Growing up and learning. After an animal is born, it must learn to survive in the wild. Some animals learn by imitating their parents, and some animals have learned by themselves. Animals give birth or lay eggs to produce young animals. This is called reproduction. These young animals grow up and have ones of their own, and they die. This is known as a life cycle. Mammals like cow feed their young ones with milk. Eggs, caterpillar, papaya, butterfly life cycle. Cheetah's mother protects her cubs from predators and teaches them to hunt. Animal senses. Animal uses their senses to find food, shelter, and each other. Their senses help them to communicate, navigate, and avoid predators and attack a partner. Did you know hawks can search from ground from a height of 10 to 12,000 feet looking for prey? Sharp eyesight. Some animals have more developed senses than others. Hunting animals like the cheetah have sharp eyesight to find their prey. The eyesight of an eagle and hawks are 3 and 4 times better than ours. Special senses. The platypus dives under the water to find food. With its eyes, ears, and nose closed, it uses its bill to grub around to find food. Its bill is covered with electroreceptors that help it to detect prey. Smelling with tongue. Snakes actually smell with their tongues. They flick their tongues in and out to taste and smell the air around them. Amazing hearing. Most bats use a special hearing system called echolocation to find their way out in the dark. Whales have specially designed ears that allow them to listen to sounds underwater. Did you know box jellyfish has 24 eyes? So I'm going to be reading Living on Land in the next episode of my channel. If you want to watch this whole book series, then watch it on my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.